guys, so with Christmas around the corner, I thought that I would do a gift guide video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you 100 gifts under $10. Kind of a lot. It took me a while to come up with all these ideas, so I really hope that you guys find this useful. Anyways, let's just hop on into it. I'm going to start off with electronics and accessories for electronics because I feel like these can be very useful for everyone. The first thing is a portable charger for your phone. You can get these in the Target dollar section for only $5. Number two is a car mount phone holder. I don't know, one of those. But basically what it does is you put your phone in it and you can put it on your car on the dashboard. You can see your phone better if you have Google Maps pulled up. Number three, a cable drop. I found one by Blue Lounge at Target. It's just a small thing that you can attach on your desk or your side table wherever you charge your phone. And basically it holds the charger in place so it won't fall off of your desk. Speaking of that, giving someone a USB cord is always a good idea because I feel like they break or people lose them. They also sell extra long ones. By the way, I'll have all these things linked down below in the description box. Wow, that's gonna be a lot of links. 100. Headphones, pretty basic, but I feel like everyone uses them and it's always nice to have new ones. Panasonic earbuds. Obviously this wouldn't work if someone has one of the later Apple phone models where they removed the headphone jack, but these are my favorite headphones with the cord. So if you know someone that can still use wired headphones, I think that these would be perfect. The last thing in this category is a pop socket. These are so popular, as you guys know. The next category I'm going to go into is beauty. I have quite a few items in this category. The Alba Botanica acne spot treatment. This is only $5 on Amazon. I think this would be a great stocking stuffer or just a little gift to add to someone's present. Basically, you can just put it on a pimple if you have one and it'll take away the redness. Burt's Bees hand cream. They sell mini silver tubes of it. Number 10, a mini makeup set. A lot of different brands sell kits with a few mini makeup products in them. And going along with that, you can also give someone a mini nail polish set. Liquid lipstick, I saw that Burt's Bees sells some and they have really pretty colors. A sheet mask, Burt's Bees also has these. A hair donut, they're really nice because they make your bun a lot more volumized. A monogrammed letter necklace. H&M also has some layered necklaces for under $10. Speaking of that, H&M's jewelry is very inexpensive and they also sell earring sets, so that's another option. Some scrunchies, you can get festive glitter ones or printed ones. Another kind of scrunchie you can get are velvet ones. I really like the look of these and I think they're great for the holidays. Physicians Formula CC cream. I actually use this on my face instead of foundation and I really love it because it doesn't make me break out like any other foundation I've tried in the past. Also, it is so much cheaper than regular foundation, which can be like $50 for a tiny bottle, which is insane. I don't have the money to spend on that, so yeah. Normally this costs $15, but I found it for $10 on Amazon. A manicure kit. They have nail clippers, a nail filer, a nail brush, just different things for fixing up your nails, making them look nice. The next thing is my favorite nail polish. I actually have it on my shelf so I can show you guys. This is the Butter London nail polish in the shade Glazed Sparkly Silver, and it's what I'm wearing on my nails right now. If you know someone who likes face masks, this next idea is perfect. And that is the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay face mask. It comes in a pretty big tub, bottle, container thing, I don't really know, but yeah, it's a really good size, especially for the price, and basically all you have to do is mix it with water. A cute little pre-packaged gift is a Burt's Bees ornament set. It just has a few little small beauty items. For the holiday time, you could give someone a set of 4 lip balm pack from Burt's Bees. The last thing in the beauty section is a non-toxic nail polish remover. It doesn't have a smell at all, and also it actually helps to moisturize your nails instead of drying them out like other nail polish removers do. Now we're on to the food category, so if you know someone who likes food or you don't really know what else to get them, then these gifts will be perfect. The first one is for a tea lover. You can get them some peppermint green tea or some plum tea, just some festive holiday flavors. Number 28, Starbucks holiday roast coffee beans. I was in Starbucks the other day and they had like at least 3 or 4 different holiday blends. And then if you want to give someone some holiday K-cups, I know that Trader Joe's has some different holiday blends. A chocolate sample gift box. I think this would be the perfect stocking stuffer. Dark chocolate peppermint bark squares, a Starbucks peppermint hot chocolate and mug set. I saw one of these at Walgreens for $9.99. The last thing in this category are some flavored honey sticks. I have seen these at a lot of different farmers markets. They have a lot of flavors. You can eat the honey right out of the tube or you can add it to tea. The next category is home decor. The first thing is a marquee, I think, letter light. A letterboard. These are very popular right now, so So I think that this would be a fun thing to give someone for their house or their room. And speaking of that, another thing is a light box where you can change out what it says and it lights up. Fairy lights with clips. I know they sell these at Best Buy, Target. A mini snow globe. I have one on my shelf back here. Oh, you can't see it. It's cut off. A key holder. Basically just has some hooks. You can hang it on your wall and then put your keys on them. And then Target has some mini wooden signs in their dollar section. A throw blanket from IKEA. The one on my bed right now is actually from IKEA. I know that this one is not under $10. I think this was like $30, but they do have throw blankets of all price ranges. A Trader Joe's candle. They have them in mini tins. I have so many of them. Last year they had the balsam for around Christmas time, so I'm sure they'll have either that or another Christmassy scent, and they're only $3.99 each. Snowflake candle holders. I saw these somewhere. I'm not sure which store. Maybe it was Crate and Barrel, but they're super cute. Basically, it's a white container with a little snowflake that lets the light of the candle shine through. Lastly, some plaid coasters from Pottery Barn. They have so many varieties, not just plaid. And the last time I checked, they were having 25% off a lot of their holiday stuff. So if you get these on sale, then they're also under $10. Kitchen time. I think that these would be great for your mom or anyone you know who likes cooking. Salt or pepper shaker. Target has really cute mini pineapple ones. A Misto olive oil sprayer. We actually have one of these that we use for popcorn. Basically, it just helps the oil go on more evenly. A monogrammed mug. Pottery Barn actually sells some of these for only $7. A Keurig K-cup holder if someone likes drinking coffee and they have a Keurig. Christmas spatulas. A milk frother. You just use this to whisk up your milk. A mug holder like the Keurig holder. You can hang up your mugs on it. And then a reusable Keurig K-cup. These are very handy because you can grind up your coffee beans and then put them in the Keurig K-cup. So you don't have to buy the actual pre-made plastic ones at the store. It's also more eco-friendly. A travel mug or tumbler for coffee or tea. This is perfect for anyone really who's on the go. Starbucks has a lot of really cute ones for the holiday time that I saw yesterday when I was in there. An ice cream scoop with a trigger. This makes it easier to scoop the ice cream. A spoon rest. These are handy because you can put the spoon of whatever you're serving on it and then it's not going to drip all over the counter. Pottery Barn actually has some string light Christmas cups and a set of 4 mugs that go together. A white marble cheese slicer. We actually have one of these in our kitchen as well. It has a little wire that cuts the cheese. For a movie lover or a popcorn lover, you can get them some reusable popcorn containers. It makes it like you're at a movie theater at your house. An apron. They sell ones in the winter section, which is basically the holiday line at IKEA for only $7.99. $7.99. I sound like I'm saying an ad. Like, get your apron today, $7.99. Yeah, okay. Then I found some really cute iced tea spoons. Well, that's what they're called. You don't really have to use them for iced tea. Basically, they are longer spoons. The bottom says stir it up. I thought that these were so fun. You can get a set of 4 of them by Towel Living Expressions. Copper snowflake cookie cutters. Obviously, they don't have to be copper. White tree bowls. I think these are also at Crate and Barrel. It comes in a pack with a bigger one and a smaller one. Some glass markers. You can write your name on your glass that you're using. So if you have multiple people, then everyone will know whose glass is whose, and it washes off. My video is becoming really long, so we're gonna make this next part really fast. My next category is clothes. A Bluetooth beanie. These are really cool. I actually found them on Amazon. Basically, if you're using your phone, it plays the music in the beanie, so you can be warm and listen to your music at the same time. A bigger boy cap. These are very popular right now, and I actually saw some at American Eagle for $10 on clearance. H&M sells ribbed beanies for under $10. They look like they're pretty good quality. A 2-pack of gloves. H&M has these for $5.99. Sunglasses. Because summer is over, a lot of them are on sale or clearance. And lastly, some Christmas PJs. Fitness. I wanted to include this category because obviously you might know someone who is into fitness, and also New Year's resolutions are coming up. The first thing is a planner for fitness, obviously. Basically, the person can use them to keep track of their progress and help motivate themselves. Fitness gloves. These are specially designed to help with weights or pull-ups, so it's not as painful on your hands. The labeled water bottle, that is for drinking more water. Basically, it says where you should be at each time. I know that that's a really popular New Year's resolution, drinking more water, so this would be perfect to help someone do that. Books. I'm gonna tell you guys some of my favorites that I think other people would really like as well. The first one is Girl Wash Your Face by Rachel Hollis. This is my favorite book of all time. She has so much great advice in it. A novel that I think any middle school or high schooler girl would really like is by Sadie Robertson, called Life Just just got real. I read it and I really liked it. Another book by Sadie Robertson is Live Fearless. This one is more of an inspirational category of book. Great advice. So good again, so highly recommend this. Love Does by Bob Goff, or he also has his new book, Everybody Always, which I haven't read yet, but I've heard really good things about it as well. 365 Daily Devotions by teen girls, for teen girls. Basically, it's a devotional that has Bible verse and then it has whatever the person's talking about, and they're actually all written by different people who are teenagers as well. See, like 16, 17, 18, 14. So yeah, just all around that range. Pets, because you can't forget about them. A dog sweater. These are super fun and they're great for the winter. Doggy treats. I've seen specific Christmas bones that are like decorated for the holiday time. A reindeer chew toy for a dog. And for a cat, I saw a stocking of toys. This next category is for parents or grandparents or any family members. They're funny or special things that you can give them. If your dad likes telling dad jokes, then you can actually get them a book on dad jokes, which I think is perfect. Or maybe it's not a good thing if you are tired of them telling dad jokes. I don't know. And then they have funny mugs and they also have cute mugs, so depending on what the person's personality is. And then a very fun sentimental gift you can give someone is a mug with a picture of your family or maybe you and the person. They have like specific frames that say I love grandma or things like that. We're almost done. The last category is basically just random stuff. A place card set if you know someone who likes having parties or gatherings. I mean, let's be real, the person probably doesn't have assigned seats, but I thought that these are really cute and people can always move them around. A cat ring catcher. It's a silver cat and its tail is sticking up, so you can put rings on its tail to store them there. A to-do list pad. I personally love using to-do lists all the time. I literally make them every day. Fujifilm Insta-X Polaroid film. If someone likes games, you can get them the Bananagrams game. Essential oils are pretty popular these days, so if someone has a diffuser, you can get them some essential oil blends. Plant Therapy has a lot of holiday blends. And speaking of that, if you are giving someone essential oils or if they have essential oils, a perfect gift would be a soft essential oil carrying case where they can store them all. If you know a traveler, getting them a toiletry bag is perfect. Also, another small gift would be a luggage tag. A magazine, a subscription. They have all different varieties of magazines for all different topics. That was all of the gift ideas. There were seriously so many. So if you needed a gift idea or gift ideas, hopefully you now have ideas for literally whoever you need to get a gift for, because there was a lot. I better not have any trouble getting anyone gifts this year because of all the gift videos I've done, and I hope that you guys don't have any trouble either because I want to help you guys out. So anyways, if you liked this video and if it helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media so you can stay up to date with everything when I'm not posting. Anyways, I love you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing day. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!